Hi, Jessica. Good to see you.
Hi, Alex. Yes, that is really nice.
I did not expect to see you.
Me neither.
How are you today?
I am fine, thanks.
That makes me happy.
And how are you?
I am fine too.
Good to hear.
You look relaxed.
Yes, today is a quiet day.
That is pleasant.
Yes, I think so too.
Are you out right now?
Yes, I am outside for a bit.
Just a bit?
Yes, only for a few minutes.
I just came from work.
Oh, are you already done?
Yes, done for today.
Then you have some time now.
Yes, I have a little time.
That is nice.
I like random meetings like this.
Yes, they make the day better.
How was your day so far?
Actually, quite good.
Were you out a lot?
Yes, I had some appointments.
Were the meetings stressful?
No, they were fine.
That's good.
And your day?
My day was quiet.
Quiet is always nice.
Yes, I like that.
Did you work a lot today?
Not as much as usual.
That's rare.
Yes, today I was lucky.
Did you get up early?
Yes, pretty early.
Were you tired?
In the morning, yes.
And now?
Now I feel better.
I know that feeling.
Did you take a break today?
Yes, a short break.
That is important.
Yes, or the day is too long.
You are right. The weather today is very different from yesterday.
Yes, that's true. It changed fast.
In the morning, it was still cold.
Yes, and now it is a bit warmer.
Do you find the weather pleasant today?
Yes, I think so.
I like it when it's not too hot.
Me too, then you feel better.
Did you notice it is cloudy?
Yes, but luckily it is not raining.
I do not like rain much.
No, rain makes everything harder.
When I study English, I often learn weather words.
Yes, the weather is a good topic.
People talk about it a lot.
Exactly. That is classic small talk.
Do you prefer to say cold or cool?
I usually say cool.
Good to know.
Today it is more cool than cold.
Do you think the wind is strong?
No, just a little.
That is good.
Yes, else it would be unpleasant.
Then you can be outside easily.
Exactly. A walk fits well.
So, how are things for you now?
Pretty good, actually.
That sounds positive.
Yes, I can't complain.
Is everything on track?
Mostly, yes.
Any problems today?
No, nothing special.
That's good.
And you, how's it going?
All in all, good.
I'm glad.
Sometimes it gets a bit stressful,
Yes, I know that.
but right now it's okay.
That's important.
Do you feel relaxed now?
Yes, today I do.
I can tell.
Thanks.
Are you working a lot now?
Yes, this week it is a bit more.
Do you have many appointments?
Yes, almost every day.
That sounds tiring.
A little, but it's fine.
Do you work at the office or from home?
Mostly at the office.
How long are you there each day?
About 8 hours.
That is a normal workday.
Yes, nothing special.
Do you like your job?
Yes, mostly.
That is important.
And how about you?
I work a bit less now.
Is that nice?
Yes, it is good for me.
Do you have more time then?
Yes, a bit more.
That is handy.
This way you can plan your day better.
Exactly.
Something changed for me recently.
Oh, what is it?
I have a bit more free time now.
That sounds good.
Yes, it really helps me.
Do you use the time for you?
Yes, I try to.
What do you like to do?
I go for walks more often.
That is a good idea.
I can relax well while walking.
I believe that.
Sometimes we need more quiet.
Yes, especially after busy days.
I feel that it helps me.
That is important.
And you, anything new?
Not much. Everything is normal.
That's good too.
Yes, routine can feel nice.
The main thing is feeling well.
Exactly.
Do you have plans for today?
Not much. I will stay at home.
That sounds relaxed.
Yes, I need a quiet evening.
Will you meet anyone later?
No, not today.
Then you have time for yourself.
Right, that feels good.
Do you already have plans for tomorrow?
Yes, I work in the morning.
And in the afternoon?
I have nothing planned then.
That is nice sometimes.
Yes, it keeps me flexible.
I like free afternoons.
Me too.
Maybe I will go shopping tomorrow.
That has to be done too.
Or I will just stay home.
That sounds good.
You don't always need big plans.
No, small plans are often enough.
How do you feel today?
Actually, pretty good.
More relaxed or more tired?
A bit tired.
I know that well.
Yes, the day was long.
Do you still feel okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you stressed sometimes?
Yes, sometimes.
When do you feel stressed?
When I have much to do.
And what helps you then?
A short break helps me.
That sounds good.
Yes, after that, it is better.
Do you feel content today?
Yes, I think so.
I'm glad.
And how do you feel?
I am calm and okay. Are you done for today?
Yes, I just finished.
That's good.
Yes, I'm happy about it.
Was the day long?
Yes, quite long.
Then you must be tired.
Yes, a little.
Do you have plans now?
No, not today.
Then you can relax.
Exactly, that's the plan.
What do you like to do after work?
I like to go home and rest.
That sounds good.
Yes, I need it.
I like the moment after work.
Yes, it is important.
Then the quiet part of the day starts.
Right.
It is good for body and mind.
You are right about that.
It was really nice to talk with you for a moment.
Yes, I also enjoyed it very much.
Time went by very fast.
Yes, that happens with good talk.
I need to move on now.
I understand, me too.
I just wanted to say goodbye.
That is kind of you.
Thanks for the chat.
You are welcome.
A short talk feels good.
Yes, it makes the day lighter.
Maybe we will meet again soon.
Yes, that would be nice.
Then I wish you a quiet evening.
Thanks, I wish you the same.
Take good care of yourself.
Thanks, you too.
I will head off now.
All right,
See you next time.
see you soon.